Camping can be a wonderful and affordable way to explore the great outdoors, save space and connect with nature. However, one of the biggest challenges when camping is figuring out what to eat and how to prepare it. Fortunately, there are plenty of affordable camping cooking gear options that can help you cook delicious meals without breaking the bank. When it comes to camping and camp cooking gear, there are a few essential items that every camper should have. These include a camping stove, cookware, utensils, and a cooler. When it comes to camping stoves, there are lots of options to choose from. Some camping stoves are small and have just one burner, while others are larger and have multiple burners. The size and number of burners you need will depend on how many people you'll be cooking for and how much food you'll be making. Small, single-burner stoves are a great option for solo camping trips or for heating up small meals or snacks. If you're camping with a group or plan to do a lot of cooking in camp kitchen, a larger, multi-burner stove may be a better choice. When you're planning to use a camping stove, you'll also need some cookware to go with it. A basic set of pots and pans, as well as a frying pan, will usually be enough to prepare most meals. When selecting your camping cookware, look for lightweight and durable options that can withstand the challenges of camping. Since you'll be packing and transporting your cookware, you don't want it to be too heavy or take up too much space. Mess kits include not only a pot and pan but a variety of extra food items. This is ideal if you want to combine camping kitchenware in one piece for ultimate comfort in one package. When camping, it's important to have a cooler to keep your perishable food items fresh and safe to eat. You'll want to choose a cooler that is large enough to hold all of your food and drinks, but not so large that it's difficult to transport. A good rule of thumb is to choose a cooler that has a capacity of at least 30 quarts. This should be large enough to hold a few days' worth of food and drinks for a small group. By investing in essential camping cooking gear items like a camping stove, and various cookware sets, utensils, and a cooler, you can enjoy delicious meals while camping without spending a fortune.